Straight line winds possibly coming in. Storm's not quite here yet, so this is in front of it, so who knows what's going to when it gets here. Don't know if the video is going to do it justice, just how wicked it sounds, the wind whipping. Oh, there you go. There's a good lightning strike for you, or good lightning flash for you. And there comes more wind. This is more, I think, cloud to cloud lightning as opposed to cloud to ground lightning. So there's that. The rain's starting to feel it hit my legs. I didn't get that one fully. Oh, that was a nice one. I saw the strike in that one. Oh, that was nice. Pretty sure that's not gonna be it. Let's hope not. Oh, that was nice. That was a nice flash. If anything, I'm getting good bits of the lightning. So, won't be a total waste. Hopefully. Yeah, the rain finally starting to at least fall now. Whether that accumulates anything more is yet to be seen. It doesn't start picking up by about 15 minutes, about 4 more minutes. So when I start picking up, I'll just end the video, and go with what I got. But hopefully it picks up some. Like I said, if anything, I got some good lightning. Oh, there's the thunder. It's not a lost cause. Some big raindrops, sounds like. Oh, that was nice. All right, now it's starting, I think, to come over toward us. Now let's see if it goes right over us like the last one did, or if it passes us to another direction. There comes the rain. Person really riding their motorcycle out in the rain. This, oh, for their sake, it don't start hailing just yet. If it does, because that would not be fun riding a motorcycle in the hail, especially since Ohio doesn't have helmet laws, so you don't have to wear a helmet legally. You can legally not wear a helmet when you're riding your motorcycle. I don't know if that guy was. I didn't see him, but even still, would not be fun driving into hail if it does hail, because that is a possibility with this. Oh, wow. That was nice. There you go. That was a nice thunderclap. Sadly, it does sound like it's more passing out that way instead of going right over us, sadly. There's still a lot of lightning over that way, so maybe it's not quite as far as I've thought so far, but it's definitely, the rain has definitely come to a standstill a bit. I mean, there's another, sounds like there's another bit of wind. I wish I would have got the wind that was coming with the front side of it, but I forgot to hit record. Well, there's a nice lightning show. Now, because the way the wind is blowing the rain, I'm starting to get wet. A little bit. Well, I'll go for another, till probably another 7 minutes. And if it doesn't start getting crazy or anything, I'll go ahead and call it. And just let's just put out what I got. Gonna just do this for fun anyway. That's my ride. They're coming to get me. Oh, that was nice. Like I said, at least I'll get some good lightning flashes. That one was sadly more over the house, so I couldn't really get this actual strike that well, but I don't want to get soaked, so I don't want to rock out into the rain itself, but to get strikes. That was a good one too. Got a little bit of that strike. Alright, don't be teasing me now, Rain. Oh wow, that one struck the ground somewhere. Holy shit. That made me jump. I don't know where it struck, but that one definitely struck the ground. I was gonna stop it at 25, but it's almost like it's trying to do more. That ground strike was any indication. Hate that all the sirens are in the background, but what happens? That's what happens. You live near a hospital. Well, not only that, not only do I live near a hospital, I live near where the fire trucks are stationed and all that fun stuff. A whole bunch of them. Wonder what the hell happened. Car wreck or what? That's a lot of them. If I could pinpoint exactly where the sounds were, I might go be nosy, but I can't, so. Oh, wow, that was beautiful. I don't know if I got that in time, but that was beautiful. Actually, I almost wonder if those are actually tornado sirens, even though we're not under tornado warning. Because they sound different from the ambulance sirens and stuff that I usually hear. But as far as I know, we're not under any warning for any threat for that. I've only ever heard our tornado sirens, I think, once, and that was during a test, so I have no idea. So I'm like 60%, 70% sure those were ambulances and stuff, but there's always that possibility. I am going to have to stop at 30 minutes regardless because my phone battery is getting low. So about a minute, a little bit over a minute. I'm thinking most of it's already past us. So, because it was a quick moving storm when I was seeing it on the radar. I have to text my sister. Text my sister tomorrow, see if those were indeed tornado sirens or not. Well, anyway, that's the first decent one of the year I've been able to catch, other than that YouTube short I did of just a couple lightning strikes. The one from the tail end of a storm that I just happened to miss. But anyway, it wasn't the craziest thing, but I got some nice lightning strikes and some thunder and stuff. So anyway, I'll wait till it hits 30, then I'm gonna hit stop.